All right, guys, so now we're looking at 5.3e, which is multiplying decimals. In multiplying decimals, we multiply just how we normally would, but we include the decimal and we count how many uh, jumps we have in the decimal. So it says a loaf of bread weighs 2.8 pounds. What is the total weight of 15 loaves? So I would just take 2.8 and multiply that times 15. Okay, real simple. Ignore the decimal. I'm not saying ignore it completely, but just know that it's there, but you don't have to line up anything. Just make sure that whenever you put your numbers, you're able to multiply them. So 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Put a 0. And then 8 times 1 is 8. And then 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. And then just add how you normally would. 0, this is 12, I believe. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So you get 420. But this is where I was saying you have to jump or see how many places values or the decimal is from the end. So this one is only 1. So when you come down, your decimal is here. It only has to jump once. So your answer would be 42.0 or 42. 42 lb or pounds. Okay. All right. That's it.